Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. So this is Henry, and here is updating long-term outlook of the MAGS. Right, this is the ETF that is a combination of many different high-tech stocks, Amazon, Google, and so on, Meta. Right, and here we have weekly time frame. From 2023 we got this 1 2 and then a new high over here, which we are calling this as basically within wave 3 higher. So the long-term outlook is bullish. However, currently it is correcting this cycle from April low here, potentially can do another leg down. Then there's a reason to think that there is a potential leg lower coming again, instead of ending with 2 here. If you look at the retracement so far we are retracing only slightly below, slightly more than 23.6. Typically that is too short for a wave 2. Okay, typically the other option is that this pullback is only wave 4 from the low in April. So we got 1 2 3 4 and then 5 marginal high. But even if we do marginal high, I don't think we are ready for wave 3 of 3 here, and then that means we're gonna be adjusting one here. But again, I think the pullback is if you look at the distribution and also the RSI, that doesn't look like a wave 4 anymore from the lows. So what that means is this cycle has ended, and now we are correcting this cycle from the April 2025. And since we are a little bit too shallow right now, I do think that there is a potential for another leg down coming. So here's the daily time frame. We could see a rally first now to correct this initial 3 ways down, and then from after we finish the correction higher, we can get another leg down again, basically due to a bigger correction against April cycle, before we finally go higher afterwards. So I think this whole process though is going to get sideways. It's going to get frustrating, especially people that try to do investment in the MAGS. I don't think it's ready to go anywhere higher yet, and it will take a few months or years even, depending on how fast this all go. It could be fast. I mean, it could be a year or so, the whole entire thing here. And then once we complete the whole entire correction, then we could potentially extend higher from there. Okay, now I think I leave you with one more possible option here, which is to call it like this: 1 2, and then this is 3 4, and then a 5, marginal 5 to finish the 5 swing up from all-time low, and then we got this bigger pullback like so before going up. Okay, so but I think in terms of the primary view, or the one that we like right now, is to see a correction against April cycle first, before we could go higher again afterwards. All right, so this is not part of our service, but we do offer coverage of the individual stocks like Meta, Google, and so on in our service. If you like to check it, feel free to try our service. We have 14 days trial, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.